Welcome back. This week I had some more paintings for you. I started off this painting with a warm-up sketch of a couple of otters, because otters are the best. Anyways, I took the runner-up painting that did not get chosen by chat from last week's video, and I decided to make that a video. I updated the canvas size to be less square and more rectangular. This is a Death's Tyrant from D&D lore. These are typically found around sites of beholders, but I don't think it's actually a beholder itself. Anyways, somebody in chat did make the suggestion to put a flaming eyeball in the background, and I did try to add that. Moved it around the canvas in a couple places, trying to find a place that I liked it, but I couldn't find a spot, so I ended up not using that. At the end of the video, I ended up adding a fire elemental in the background there, crossing one of the lava flows and onto the rocks. And if you want to make suggestions for my paintings, then you can join me live on twitch.tv/2wheelsandcoffee. I frequently ask for chat's input on what we should be doing, and you are welcome to make suggestions if you are there. That's not to say that I will use every suggestion that's made, but if you want to be part of the other lovely chatters that are suggesting things, that's where you can do it at. And if you like this video, consider giving it a like, maybe a subscribe. Both are free and both help out the channel immensely. So I appreciate everyone watching this video. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them below the video. And until next time, keep it real.